Sugar Cookies. I'm Cookie, your lifestyle. And you're watching I Can Do That with Cookie. You'll find recipe and meal prep, exotic, global foods, home staging and styling, weight loss journeys, organization, home improvements and DIYs, and reviews on makeup and everything, and so much more. Stay tuned because I upload weekly. Rubio! What the heck?
Jesus.
Ooh, it's a little hot in here. I'm a little verschwitzen. Did I not close that door? Anyway, whatever. Hi Sugar Cookies, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know who I am, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle whisperer. On this channel, you're gonna find things just like you saw in the footage. You're gonna see lifestyle, cooking, thrifting, makeup, decor, travel.
There's a lot more, so you're gonna need to stay tuned. Tell your friends that I Can Do That with Cookie is on.
I've been in this house a little over 10 months and no time like the present to get rid of
Crap.
I've been decluttering and organizing. Now it's time to get some organization off my master suite, and I've already kind of started the process, a little semblance.
You're gonna see. Don't judge me.
I just want to keep some towels in there, which I'm going to be replacing later. And I'm going to be switching around some containers, decluttering some things, and I just want to have my beauty products in there, toilet paper, towels. You get the gist. So let's see what I got back there. Oh my gosh, it's my darn little secret. Ta-da! Like I said, I started a little something. I'm gonna give you a little view so you can see up and down what I've got. And I'll be getting rid of all of that. Taking that out, sweeping, cleaning. Ooh, I hope you couldn't see up my nose. There's space up in there that can be taken advantage of later on. I want to remove all those wire shelves. I just have a thing with wire shelves that I don't like.
No more wire shelves.
Anywho, and I want to maybe put some wallpaper in there later on and put some a different type of closet system. But for now, I have this situation going on right here, which has been working for a while. However, I don't know if I'll keep it. We'll see. Anyhow, let's get to doing this. I already had these on hand. I got these at Home Goods for $6.99 a piece. They stack that way. Let's see. These are really shoe boxes, but that's okay. $12.99 at Home Goods. Not sponsored, it's just what I have. And they slide out. Let's see how I use it. Okay, I need a little sippy break. I've only been doing it for 5 minutes. I put these back up there because they function, they work. I've emptied some of them out, and that's just great because now I'm gonna keep a list in this closet of the things that need to be replenished accordingly. They do overlap just a little bit. Now maybe if I counterbalance it with what I put inside, I don't know, let's see, but there's that. And, oh, let me show you. I found some more organizational things around the house. I'm so excited, especially when you don't. Ooh, I'm sorry, this is so noisy. See, okay, hold on. This is an awkward position, but look what I found. I found several of these Lazy Susans, and let's see if I can use that. The idea here is if I put something on it, then I don't have to go digging. I don't know about you sugar cookies. I'm the type of person that I don't mind going behind something to get one item, maybe 2 items behind that, but I really despise digging for stuff. So this way I don't have to dig. This way it'll spin and I don't have to reach for things behind it. Savvy? Sounds like a good idea? Search for the things you have. Search for the things you have around your house to organize. It may not be Pinterest worthy, but honey, who's looking for real, for real? This is your home. Let it be practical, let it be functional, let it be beautiful and neat, but don't stress out about it.
Use what you got, honey. I'm giving you poils.
Now maybe I have to put some of these things away properly, huh? Oh no, not the tassel. Yes, the tassel because I like it. It's pretty. This is my bathroom and I love turquoise. Let's see what I've done. Una minutes. How long? Ta-da! What do we think? What do we think? I am so pleased that this turned out better than I expected. I used everything that I had on hand, and this is the result of everything. Now, I do want to change it up, make it pretty later on down the line, but for now, and I decided to remove that honker that was just taking up space behind there and just hang my robe. And I love using these kind of plastics right there. I'm just showing you that. And I shifted over all those boxes, and I like using these plastics where the bed sheets come in because you can repurpose them, recycle. That's a travel kit that I use. I put something pretty back there because, I wanted something pretty. Now you see, I don't know if you can tell, I have a lot of space up in the ceiling, so we will be building up that way, or upwards, I should say, to take advantage of that space. I have my beach towels to the right. And these are the towels that I have on hand, and soon I'll be just exchanging all those towels for just all one solid color for me, one solid color for my husband. These, my husband do not touch. He doesn't touch them because these are strictly for my facials. And I have a few more towels in the wash, but I cannot stand these. Ugh. Not my wire. Anywho, I'm thankful for what I have right now, but look, everything turned out really, really nice. And I counterbalance the shelves with putting other things on top. Over there, I have my smells, my good smells, my soaps. I have my notepad there so that I can make a list of the things that I need. These are all of my treats, my bath treats to the left and soaps. And then that's my skincare that I can pull from. And these things right here, every time you see them, grab you some. These are full of caffeine, and they're scrubbed with and soap. They're scrubs for your body, and it helps with cellulite, and it's great for travel. Poopy spray, I keep several of those. That's right, I don't run out. You see, I have toilet paper. This is where I have my facial mask or different types of masks and things, and my Shiseido cotton pads. I cannot be without those. Great for your face. They don't tug your skin, leave lint behind. And these are my body scrubs and some of my massage oils and things. Oh, I love that favorite vanilla Tahitian scrub. See, look. I love that. It just spins. I don't have to grab at it, reach over. Love that idea. Again, with the things that I have on hand. Here. Don't judge me. I'm just excited. Slow down, girl. You saw I have my bath salts there. You see, I'm using that plastic right there, repurposing, reducing my footprint. That's the goal. And I put my ice bag in there, massage, that heart massage. That pink thing is full of buckwheat that you heat up in the microwave or you put in the fridge. That back there is from the Dollar Tree, collects humidity. I put essential oil of eucalyptus on there, a little tip to get things, you know, nice smelling and things, you know. And then once it fills up with liquid, I just exchange it. And then I refill it, or I reuse Damprid. So yeah, just a little bit of eucalyptus oil smells amazing, because, you know, I have beauty products in here and this is what I came up with. So what do we think? Comment below and let me know. What color do you think I should paint the inside of this closet? Do you think I should do wallpaper? Because I'm thinking I should do maybe like an aqua thing, because I love turquoise or anything in that vein. Comment below and let me know. What do you think? What are some of the spring projects you've got going on right now? Comment below and let me know. Do you know of any other types of containers that I could be using? Comment below. If you like this video and found some value in it, subscribe. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce.
And you will have a few laughs and some entertainment.
Post your notification bell, you know, the ding 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 dong bell. And select all so you don't miss any of my videos.
As I say around here, smile, your soul will thank you for it. You don't feel like smiling right now? Don't worry, I got you, baby. Be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next one. Come on back now, you hear? I'm in the bathroom, and the airplane is still, I thought you couldn't hear it all the way back here. For those of you who don't know me, I'm cooking.
Hello? Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.